In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix a Fusion 360 sweep error, one of the most common issues people run into when creating complex shapes. If your sweep keeps failing and you're not sure why, don't worry. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what's causing it and how to fix it fast. And if this helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more Fusion 360 tips and tutorials. Alright, let's jump in. So first, what is a sweep error? A sweep error happens when Fusion 360 cannot move your profile along a path to generate a solid or surface. That usually means something is wrong with either your profile, your path, or how they interact with each other. Let's go through the most common causes. The first one is an invalid profile. If your sketch is not fully closed, or if it has overlapping lines, Fusion won't be able to create a proper shape. Even tiny gaps can break the sweep, so always zoom in and double check your sketch. Next is a broken path. Your path needs to be one continuous line or curve. If there are gaps, disconnected segments, or multiple separate lines, the sweep won't work. Fusion needs a clean, uninterrupted path to follow. Another common issue is the profile being too large for the path. If your path has tight curves and your profile is big, the geometry can't physically follow the path without colliding with itself. That leads to another cause, which is twisting or self-intersection. As the profile moves along the path, it might rotate or intersect itself, especially on complex curves. And finally, wrong orientation. If your profile is not aligned correctly with the start of the path, Fusion may not know how to sweep it properly. Now let's fix these step by step. First, check your profile. Go into your sketch and make sure it is fully closed. Look for gaps, overlaps, or extra lines and clean everything up. Second, fix your path. Make sure it's a single continuous curve. If needed, use constraints or redraw the path so everything connects smoothly. Third, reduce the profile size. If your sweep is failing on tight curves, try scaling the profile down slightly and see if that resolves the issue. Fourth, simplify the path. Very sharp bends and overly complex curves can cause problems. Smoothing out the path often fixes sweep errors instantly. And finally, adjust the orientation settings. In the sweep dialog, try switching between options like perpendicular or parallel. This can completely change how the profile follows the path and often resolves errors. Here's a quick tip to remember. Sweep errors almost always happen because the profile cannot smoothly follow the path without breaking or intersecting. So whenever you see an error, think about the relationship between those two elements, and that's it. You now know how to diagnose and fix sweep errors in Fusion 360 quickly and efficiently. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.